Hey friends, let's talk about something simple, useful, and surprisingly money-saving. Kitchen towels and washcloths. They are not the most glamorous stars of your kitchen, but believe me, they deserve more credit. Now, don't panic when I say this, but ditch the paper towels. Think about getting on board with this eco-friendly money-saver hack. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not here to cancel paper towels out of our lives. I still use them for the really gross stuff like cleaning up after the dog, or mystery fridge goo and sloppy stuff. But back in the day, before COVID, I used paper towels for everything. I would go through them so much that I had to buy them in bulk. I would use them for most anything that you can use a cloth towel for. I used them for drying hands and drying dishes, wiping counters, cleaning out the fridge, and even used them as napkins. Too much pepper, then even sneezing. You name it, I used paper towels. Then 2020 hit. COVID lockdowns. Do you remember when stores were wiped out of most everything? Literally. At home, I ran out of paper towels and just stared at the empty roll like it had betrayed me. Then I worried in fear that it was going to be like the toilet paper scare. Remember that one? That's when I dug way back into my kitchen drawer and pulled out my old kitchen towels. And guess what? It turned out to be one of my best money-saving hacks. They totally worked. By using these towels I already had, I realized it was easier, cleaner, and definitely cheaper than trying to find overpriced paper towels during a pandemic. Now I keep a little basket in my kitchen just for used towels and dishcloths. They are nothing fancy. As each towel gets used, I air dry it if it's damp, and then toss it into the basket until laundry day. When laundry day comes, here are a few tips. Just a heads up, don't wash your kitchen towels with your bath towels, or worse, your garage rags. Oh, nope, keep them separate. I wash them in hot water with regular laundry soap or a homemade version if you're into that. And if the towels are smelling a little suspicious, I toss in a cup of baking soda. It is great to use if you have funky odors in your towels. Skip the fabric softener. It might smell nice, but it actually makes your towels less absorbent over time. It's not helpful when you're trying to mop up a spaghetti explosion. Try using wool dryer balls. They work great, and you can use them over and over. Once they're clean and dry, I fold them and stash them in a deep kitchen drawer. No drawer to spare? A cute basket on the counter or a pantry shelf works just fine. Oh, and if you're going to buy towels for your kitchen, skip the decorative ones. I know, they're cute, but they're basically useless. You want towels that actually absorb. Look for cotton or waffle weave towels that can handle spills like a champ. And here's a trick I love. Go darker. I use dark brown towels. They don't show the stains as much. They still look great with my kitchen decor. It's function and fashion. Win-win! I use these towels for drying hands, wiping counters, drying dishes, cleaning up spills, even wrapping up herbs to keep them fresh. When one gets too wet or dirty, I just hang it to dry or toss it in the basket and grab a fresh one. Each night during cleanup, I swap out the day's towel and washcloths for fresh ones. It's part of my little reset the kitchen moment. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference in how my kitchen feels the next morning. And here's the best part. I rarely have to buy paper towels anymore. One pack can last me for months now. That's money saved every week, every month, and less waste in the trash. So if you're looking for a small change with a big impact, start with this. Reusable kitchen towels are eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and honestly, they just make you feel like you've got it together. Something to think about. We can't seem to live without paper towels nowadays. What did we use before they were made? Kitchen towels, of course. And we all did just fine back then. So tell me in the comments, do you use kitchen towels or are you a paper towel person? Did COVID open your eyes to this too, like it did for me? Thanks for watching, and don't forget, clean kitchen, clean conscience, and a little extra change in your pocket. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.